Over time, drivers will develop a good sense of how fast or slow they're going without constantly looking at their speedometer. There are two common mistakes that teen drivers make when learning to manage their speed. The first is relying too much on the speedometer to see how fast they're going. The second most common mistake that teen drivers make is relying too much on the brake to slow down the car. Instead of the brake, ease up on the gas pedal, especially in a situation where it's enough to just slow down gradually and not completely stop. Look well ahead and try to anticipate the need to slow down, such as at intersections or when there may be pedestrians in the area. Easing up on the gas pedal also makes more efficient use of your fuel and is easier on your car's tires and braking system. Use the brake pedal to slow down more rapidly when you are in tight traffic. It's important to signal to cars behind you with your brake lights. During a practice drive in a residential neighborhood, instruct your teen driver to drive around while maintaining a safe and consistent speed by only glancing at the speedometer. Remind them to keep their eyes on the road and also scan for potential hazards. At first, expect the speed to fluctuate greatly, and that's normal. After some time, your teen driver will get a feel for the speed and be able to maintain a safe and manageable speed. It just takes practice.